Transposing equations is very essential and useful in our daily lives. We do it and we don't even know we do it. We use it in chemistry, we use it in physics and engineering. It is used in the conversion of measurement, conversion of units of measurement, and many, many other things. So in this video, we're going to be talking about transposing equations. The first one we're going to look at there is 3x plus 7 is equal to 16. Now, when we transpose an equation, what we seek to do is to make one variable the subject of the formula. Here, we want to make x the subject of the formula. One thing to note in mind is this. Whenever we want to make a variable the subject of a particular equation or formula, that variable stands by itself. It isn't being multiplied or divided by anything. You aren't adding or subtracting anything from it. But if you look on the left side there, that x is being multiplied by 3 because it has a coefficient of 3, and 7 is being added to that x. In order for us to do that, we need to do the inverse of what is happening on the left side there. If 7 is being added to it, well, let's go ahead and subtract 7. So we have 3x. Now they're adding 7. We're going to subtract 7. So 3x plus 7 minus 7, and that will be equal to 16, and we subtract 7 on this right side as well. Good. Simplifying, the 7s will disappear there. And when we subtract 7 from 16, we get 9. So we get 3x is equal to 9. But something is still happening there. X is still being multiplied by 3, the coefficient on the x. So what we need to do is divide both sides by 3. And so we have 3x over 3 is equal to 9 over 3. 3x over 3 is equal to 9 over 3. When we simplify that, the 3's disappear, and we have x equals 3. Easy like that? Yes. So let's go and do this other one here. This one is slightly different from the one before in that it has two variables. On the left side, we have a 3x. On the right side, we have a y. Y is currently the subject of the formula. We want to make x the subject of the formula. X has a coefficient of 3, which means that in the end, we'll be dividing by 3. 5 is being added onto it now, which means that we'll be subtracting 5. Let's go ahead and subtract the 5 first. 3x, 5 is added, so we'll subtract 5. And that will be equal to y, and we subtract 5 on this side as well. When we simplify, we'll find that the 5's will disappear, and so 3x will be equal to y minus 5. So we have 3 multiplying the x. We need to divide both sides by 3. And so we have 3x over 3 is equal to y minus 5 over 3. When we simplify that, the 3's will disappear, giving us our final answer, which is x is equal to y minus 5 over 3. So that's the second one. The third one, slightly different. Here we're solving for t, and t is in the denominator of a fraction, which makes this one a little more interesting, if you want to say that. Because, first of all, what we'll have to do is to multiply by t, because any number that is in the denominator of a fraction is dividing that fraction. We want to get t at the top there, so we have to multiply the entire equation by t. And so we will multiply it by t and set it up like this. If you notice, we have t multiplying that 2 in bracket and so on. But what will happen when we simplify, those t's on the left will cancel each other out, right? Simply leaving the 2. So it will be 2 is equal to, and on the right side we would have a t u plus 3. T is what we want to make the subject of the formula, but right now it is being multiplied by u plus 3. So again, we have to undo that by dividing both sides by u plus 3. So we would get, notice what we get on the left side, we have 2 over u plus 3, and that is equal to t times u plus 3 divided by u plus 3. And so here, on the right side, u plus 3 is going to disappear, leaving us with this solution here. The solution we have is u is equal, sorry, is 2 is equal, 2 over u plus 3 is equal to t, or we could turn that around. T is equal to 2 over u plus 3. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Please share. In my next video, we will be